pain. Whispers that carried away, and now you're so far today. Photos of us on the wall, echoes of your tender call. Stars we would chase every night, embrace me in fading light. Oh, the miles fall between, but our love, it stays serene. Close your eyes, we're never gone. In my heart, you'll carry on. Letters I write by the moon, hoping I'll see you soon. Dreams filled with sweet memories, holding on to